Hi guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girl's Kitchen. For those of you that are new, my name is Maggie and welcome. Today I'm going to share with you a recipe that's super near and dear to my heart because it really takes me back to the roots of the Lazy Girl's Kitchen, and it's how I like to make my cinnamon rolls, but I make them with Pillsbury Crescent rolls. They're just so delicious. I promise you, you are going to love this recipe, and it's going to be a quarter of the work that you would do for like an actual cinnamon roll. So if you want to see how they come together, make sure you keep on watching. So the actual cinnamon roll is super simple. You're just gonna need some crescent rolls. In here, all I have is light brown sugar with a mix of cinnamon, and then all you're gonna need is some unsalted butter. Make sure it's at room temperature, otherwise it's gonna be really hard to spread. And you're gonna preheat your oven to whatever the packaging instruction is for your crescent rolls. Mine are 350. So this is super easy, but it's so incredibly delicious that I had to share it with you. So what I do is I take a little bit of butter, not too much, just enough to kind of spread over my crescent roll. And I do this for two reasons. One, I really like the flavor it gives the crescent roll, and two, it acts like a glue for when I put my brown sugar and cinnamon mix. And I really like to spread that on there. There we go. Then all you're gonna do, just like with any other cinnamon roll, you're just gonna roll this bad boy up. You're gonna place it on your sheet, and then you're gonna continue to do the rest. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna bake it according to your package instructions. So for instance, I preheated my oven to 350, and I have to bake these about 12 to 14 minutes or until I see that they're getting nice and golden brown. And then I'm gonna let them cool slightly while we work on our icing. My crescent rolls, look at these, they're beautiful and golden. I took them out at exactly the 12-minute mark because for me they were starting to get golden brown. And I feel like if you over bake them, they just get hard. They're no longer soft and fluffy. So I took them out, they're cooling, and now we are gonna work on our icing. So for this, you're gonna need some confectioner sugar, which I have here, and then some heavy whipping cream. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add the heavy whipping cream in about I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons right now and see if I need more. And all I'm gonna do is mix this with my fork to see if I get a nice icing. If it's not coming together quite yet, then I'll just add another tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. I can't even talk, but it looks like it's pretty. Look at that. Beautiful icing. But you want it to be runny, so I think I want to do another tablespoon. Alright, so all you're gonna do is mix it. So my icing is perfect. This is exactly how I want it. Still thick, but watery, which is what you want. You don't want it to be just like pure water, you know what I mean? So what I do is with my fork, I just go and I drizzle it over my crescent roll. And it looks gorgeous. So I'm going to continue to do this, and then I'm going to go ahead and enjoy some. So I hope you guys love this recipe. This is definitely one of my favorites. It brings me back to my roots because the first recipe I ever shared with you guys was my apple pie crescent rolls. So to be able to share another one with you that is just so easy but yet so delicious, it really warms my heart. So make sure that you guys subscribe. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.